Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today I'm going to show you a super easy dish that's perfect for Christmas or your parties. This is one pot braised lamb leg. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to brown our leg of lamb first. Heat up your multi-cooker, or if you are using on the stove itself, using medium heat, heat up your pan or wok. Add in a little bit of oil. This is half a leg of lamb, weighing approximately 900 grams. I've trimmed off the excess fats. After trimming off the excess fats, this is approximately 760 grams. We're just going to put everything in. Now we're going to season this with 1 teaspoon of salt as well as 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix them up well first. Make sure that the salt and pepper is mixed well with the lamb leg. Now of course, if you want to use lamb shank or if you prefer beef, you can change it to whatever protein you want. Alright, we're just going to spread this out and we're going to brown this. Okay, this will take several minutes and I'll show you how they look like in a while. Do not move them around, let them be browned. It's important not to cut the lamb into too small a piece, otherwise it will disintegrate easily. Okay, something about this size will be very good. You can check once in a while to make sure that they are browned properly. The reason we are browning this is because it will add flavor to the whole dish. For those who like to eat lamb, lamb shank or even braised lamb in restaurants, you know how expensive it is, right? So by cooking this at home is more economical and you actually can flavor it to how you actually like it to be. I've been cooking this for approximately 6 minutes. Let's have a look. Now I need to brown a little bit like this. If you are browning this on your stove, this will be much faster because of a larger surface area. Now if you are using your multi-cooker, this will take a little bit of time, but you need to brown them like this, alright? So now let's just flip this to the other side. Try to get all sides brown if possible, because then you'll be more flavorful this way. I will brown my lamb and I'll show you the next step after I've done this. I've been cooking this for a total of approximately 12 to 14 minutes. So now we'll remove the lamb when you no longer see any redness on the lamb. Alright, we'll just remove them. Keep the heat on. Now we'll add in our onion. 1 medium onion, chopped finely like this. Put them all in. 6 cloves of garlic, lightly smashed. Put it in. We'll fry until we can smell the fragrance from the onions and the garlic. This will take approximately a minute to a minute and a half. Pretty fast. This dish is very easy to put together. All you need is just one pot. You can prepare this before your guests arrive so they can spend more time talking to them. Right? You need to host them and you want to spend time with them. This is something that will be very easy to prepare. Now once you can smell the beautiful fragrance from the onions as well as the garlic, we'll add in our tomato paste. Add in 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now if you do not have tomato paste, you can use ketchup instead, no problem. But for richer taste, definitely tomato paste will be the one to go for. Mix them up, fry them for approximately 20 seconds to 30 seconds around there just to release the flavor. Smelling really, really fantastic now. Once you can see that the tomato paste is a darker red in color, we add back our lamb. Put our lamb back in. Mix them up well. Now we're adding our red wine, 250 milliliters of red wine. Add in 2 pieces of bay leaves. I'll let this cook for about 10 minutes or so just to reduce the sauce and evaporate the alcohol before I add in the rest of our roots as well as our beef stock. I'll see you back in a while. I've been cooking this for approximately 8 minutes. When the sauce thickens like this, we'll add in our roots. 2 whole carrots, approximately 270 grams, cut into chunks like this, put them in. 5 or 6 potatoes, just half them will be fine. 450 grams, put them in. Mix it up a little bit. Let them all have contact with the beautiful sauce over here. Now we'll add in our beef stock. 1 liter of beef stock. If you do not have beef stock, you can replace this with chicken stock, no problem. Give it a stir again. Push down whatever is by the side of your multi-cooker. Now we'll put our lid on. Lock the lid. We'll switch this to pressure cooking mode for beans and meat. And I'll see you back after 30 minutes. 30 minutes is up. Before we open up the lid, we need to release the steam. So let me release the steam and I'll show you what's inside. I've released all the steam and this is how it looks like. Now this is not done yet. We need to reduce the sauce. So we're going to turn back to open lid cooking to reduce the sauce for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, or depending on the consistency of the sauce that you want. Remember to stir occasionally when we are reducing the sauce. I'll see you back in a while. I've cooked this for another about 25 minutes or so, and this is the consistency that I like. Very, very thick gravy. This goes very, very well with the Yorkshire pudding that I'll be serving this dish with. So let's turn off the flame and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Oh, smells really, really good. Let me try the potato. Oh, very, very soft, very good. The lamb, oh, super tender, very flavorful. I love that tangy taste inside here. This is really very appetizing. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you, bye bye.